How to forward a text message on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messages application on your device and further open the conversation from where you want to forward the text messages. Once opened, tap hold on the message that you want to forward and you will be able to select messages now. So go ahead and select all the messages that you want to forward and finally tap on the share button on the bottom right of your screen, and with this in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and type in the individual's name whom you want to forward the message and then tap on the send button, and with this the message will be sent. So this is how you can forward text message on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.